So I start off every morning with some hot tea. Now, unfortunately, I have to drink decaffeinated because I am caffeine sensitive. Now for breakfast, it's very basic, but I make oatmeal, and for my boyfriend, I add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter into the mix, and he loves it that way. I don't add any sugar, only just a little bit of honey because the bananas are already sweet enough. Now here we have another very basic snack. We have just some Greek yogurt with some strawberries, bananas, and granola, and it tastes like a parfait. Last Christmas we got this Primo water dispenser, and I am obsessed with this thing. I love that we can recycle the bottles, and it has 3 functions. It has hot water, it has a little bowl attached for my pets, and then it has cold water. Now for lunch, we're going to have a light lunch because for dinner we're going to have something a little bit heavier, but we basically have this Mediterranean salad mix, and I cooked some eggs, chopped up some tomatoes, cooked up some peppers and chicken, and yeah, it was so yummy. We couldn't even finish it, and we gave the leftover eggs to Jax, and then we also gave it to our little girl Aria. So we've been trying to avoid drinking sodas and juices, so we love drinking these LaCroix, especially when we're craving the extra bubbles. And then I discovered these, and I love them. They taste just like Fresca, but unfortunately, as I read the ingredients and started looking up some of the ingredients, it's not good for you at all. You know, false advertisement when it says 0 sugar. Pretty basic, apples and cinnamon, but I'm obsessed with these, especially late night. For our little side salad, we just added some feta cheese, and we love this Olive Garden Italian signature dressing. We also added some cranberries and walnuts to our salad mix. And for the steak, again, we're really basic. We just added some of this seasoning, and we honestly just love it like that. We wanted to have a really nice romantic dinner at home, so we had a glass of wine with our dinner, and it was just so nice. And I'm going to end the video with a dessert that I found on the Tasty app, and it was so good, you guys. I really recommend it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.